In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Figma design into Angular code using Visual Copilot and Canva. We'll go through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can move from design to working front-end code with less manual effort. This workflow is especially helpful if you already have a polished Figma layout and want to turn it into an Angular component more quickly. To begin, open your design file in Figma and select the exact frame or component you want to convert into code. This part matters because the generator will use whatever you have selected as the source for the output. If your design file contains multiple screens or nested elements, take a moment to make sure you've highlighted only the section you actually want to export. A clean selection usually leads to cleaner results. Next, open the Visual Copilot plugin inside Figma. If you haven't installed it yet, you can get it from the Figma Community Plugins menu and then launch it from your file. Once the plugin is open, you're ready to start the conversion process directly from your design workspace, which makes things much more efficient. From there, generate the code preview inside the Visual Copilot panel by following the on-screen prompts for your selected design. The preview is useful because it gives you a chance to see how the design is being interpreted before you move it into your project. Pay attention to how sections, spacing, and visual hierarchy are translated. After that, go into the tool settings and set the output framework preference to Angular. This step is important because it tells the generator what kind of structure and syntax to create. Choosing the right framework up front helps avoid unnecessary rework later. Once the Angular output is ready, copy the generated code directly from the Visual Copilot export window. Make sure you grab the full code block so you don't miss any necessary markup or styling tied to that component. If your design includes extra visual assets, open your Canva workspace and locate the graphics you need for the Angular project. Then download those assets in the correct format, such as SVG or PNG, depending on what works best for your use case. After downloading them, place the files into the assets folder of your Angular project so they're easy to reference. Finally, paste the copied Angular code into your project components and test the layout in your browser to make sure everything looks correct. This is the moment to confirm that the structure renders properly and that your imported assets appear as expected. Thank you for watching this guide on turning your designs into working code